Ready to put the EPDM coating on this 1999 Tahoe trailer. The tools I'm going to start to clean the top of the trailer. The power washer, scaffolding, and a ladder. I will now get up on the trailer and start to power wash the top of the trailer. Okay, now I'm on the scaffolding taking a picture of the top of the trailer. As you can see, it's been 20 years. The roof has never been done before. So a lot of the white coating is powdery and already flaking off. Okay, let's start the washing. Okay, this is what I have right now. I did the whole top and it didn't wash some of it, but then as it got wet, it came off, the dirt came off better. I might have to use a better nozzle on the power washer, but I hope you can see the difference between what I have done in this small area and what I have to do to the rest of the trailer. Okay, I have now power washed the whole roof, and now I'm going to put some Fabuloso, I guess it's called, some detergent and a hard brush and scrub it to see if any other dirt comes off. I want to make sure that this is perfectly clean without grease. Roof is dry. Caulk I bought from EPDM Coatings. Going to caulk the whole edge around the whole trailer and then around the vents before I put on the liquid rubber. Surface is clean and the debris is removed. All right, as you can see, I've caulked the front and the back and the edges all the way around. And so, caulked anywhere around the edge. All four edges are caulked well, ready for the liquid rubber. All right, here's the back of the trailer again. Got the seam all the way across on both sides. The corners, as you see, I caulked them really good, like frosting, and got it all the way down the edge. All right, this is the other side. This is the corner that was leaking. And so, again, all the way down the edge. And so it's ready for tomorrow. And before it's over, I'll have to tape it. All right, we have it taped off around the edges, and then I will show you the top of what it looks like. First coat, I think only coat that we have, 2 more products but it don't look like I should put it on. I think it's thick enough. This is what it looks like with the cover.
Even better.
Okay, there's the finished roof. I have not took the tape off. I just finished. I have about a half gallon left. I used 2.5 gallons. It looks like it's good. I don't think I want to put any more on and cause any problems. Really happy with the product and the way it turned out. 4 tubes of caulk, and the caulk was the one I bought from EPDM products, and everything worked as promised. So thank you to Greg, was his name, that helped me with customer service to make sure I bought the right products and did the job correctly. Thanks, EPDM Coatings.